In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few gifts that I received from my neighbor. I thought it would be a fun video to shoot, and I'm just really thankful because I got a lot of things and I would love to share with you how you can use these things. Like, I want to share these things on my channel. Okay, I love these. And my neighbor, she knows me so well, and she's probably my first friend in years and years. And real life friend. You guys are my friends. But this is the first thing. Like, let me just jump right into it, okay? I'm just really excited. It was so sweet. And if you guys have neighbors, like, really appreciate them. Let me know, how do you guys interact with your neighbors? I love sharing food. I cook so much food. I love sharing food with my neighbors. I love trying out their food. I love giving gifts at like holidays, especially if they have kids. I just love to get like coloring books and markers and stuff, and it's just so fun, right? Are you guys like that? Or is it weird? I don't know. But this is really cute. It's actually something that comes apart, which I thought was really nice because you could use this as a chime candle burner. You could also put like a tea light right up there, and you could put this right in there and light anything in there. I just think it looks like a little glass goblet, and you can also offer water, wine, alcohol, whatever it is that you offer to your spirits, liquid form. I love this, and I just feel like this would be so expensive. Okay, so the next thing she got me, this is really cute. I'm not sure if it's real stones, probably not. I think they're glass, but you all know we work with color magic and we work with the 4 elements, right? So I thought that this was so cute. Look at this. I'm not sure if it's crystal or glass. I really believe it's glass, like these little stone things. But here is why I'm in love with it, because it has 4 stones, 4 sides, and you could put something in it, and it just, to me, represents northwest, south, and east. And also it's just, you know, all the elements: fire, water, air, and earth. And oh my god, you could use this for so many different things. You could keep a tea light in there, you could put a little glass in there, and then put, you know, herbs in there. Oh my god, you could do so much with this. It's so cute, and I'm just really happy that she gave it to me and she thought of me when she saw it. The next thing I want to share with you is this. So these are, I feel like they're very expensive, high quality type of glass, and I love to use these to light tea lights or candles, or I keep like a bunch of rice in here, or herbs, or anything that I need to keep in there for specific intentions, and then I could light incense on it. You could work spells in here. There's so many things you could do with these, especially like these older ones that are just better quality, I feel like, and it's harder to come across these. So I was just really thankful when she showed it to me and she was like, "This is for you." I was so excited. So I've already used it, so you could probably tell it has a little bit of ash in it. It's a little dirty, but it's so cute. Look at this. I love things like this. Tell me if you guys love things like this too. Okay, the next thing I want to share with you is she got me some candles. So I don't want to spill it, but if you guys can see right here, she got me some red little tea lights, which I will be probably doing like a little video or shorts showing you how to use red tea lights, because as soon as I saw these, I was like, I should do something with it. Like, I should make a little video show you guys how to use red tea lights, because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I'm sure you guys are going to be getting your hands on these red little tea lights, and I'm sure you want to know what to do with them to amp them up, right? She also got me these little votive candles. So here's a white one right here, and here is a red one right here. So the white ones, I am gonna also do another video teaching you how to do a head spell. It's actually something that I did for myself, and it helped me a lot with my own chaotic mind and calming it down, inviting and invoking more focus, more motivation, just more mental health, good mental health, a spell for good mental health. So I used a white candle on myself, and I really wanted to teach you guys because it worked for me, and I only want to share with you guys what worked for me. Okay, so the last thing she got me is this, and this is so cute. If you guys know my aesthetic, you know I love lotus flowers. I got a big ass lotus flower in the back of my neck tattooed, and I work with Lakshmi every single day, and she sits atop of the lotus flower. We actually create our own lotus flower candle holders in our Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, we infuse them with herbs and oils and all of that stuff. So lotus flowers to me are very, very special. And what they symbolize is basically this beautiful flower that grows out of nasty ass, muddy, just dirt water. But it thrives, it grows, it blooms, it shines. It's a beautiful flower, and it's so sacred that Lakshmi herself sits on top of it. I love this flower. That's why I wanted to get it engraved onto my skin. Like, I just find it so beautiful. And so she gifted me this, and I'm so excited because there's so much I could do with this. I can put herbs in here, light candles on it. I can just light candles alone on it. I can keep my jewelry in here. I love this, and I'm so thankful that, like, somebody just thinks of you sometimes, you know. They know what you like, and it's nice, you know. Okay, so I do want to say thank you to her. Hopefully she's watching. I'm not sure if she watches. I know she watched a few of my videos. I'm not sure if she watches all of them, but if she is watching, thank you so much for all of this. You know, I'm going to use it. I'm going to be sending you pictures and I'm very thankful to have a neighbor like that. Like, it's nice to have people around you that just make your whole reality feel a little bit more comfortable and nice, and it's just very nice. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, do something nice for your neighbor. Do something nice for your neighbor. They live right there. It's easy, it's fun. And I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.